In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a user in Salesforce. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process smooth and straightforward. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of your screen and look for the gear icon. This is your setup menu, and you'll need it for almost any administrative task within Salesforce. Click on this gear icon and then select the option labeled Setup from the drop-down menu. This will take you into the back-end area where all administrative configurations are made. Now that you're in the Setup section, you'll see a search bar on the left-hand side labeled Quick Find. This is a powerful tool that helps you locate various settings and options quickly. In the Quick Find box, type in the word Users. You should see a list of options appear, but you'll want to select the one simply labeled Users. Clicking this will take you to the User Management page, where you can view and manage all current users within your organization. Once you're on the Users page, look towards the top of the list of existing users. Here, you'll find a button labeled New User. Go ahead and click on that to open the form where you'll enter the new user's details. This is a crucial step, so take your time to fill in all the necessary fields. You'll be prompted to enter several key pieces of information. Start with the user's first name and last name. Then, input their email address. Make sure this is correct, as Salesforce will use it to send login credentials and other important notifications. You'll also need to create a unique username for them. Typically, the username takes the form of an email address, but it does not have to match the user's actual email. Next, Salesforce will ask for an alias. This is a short name that is often used for quickly identifying the user, typically a combination of their first and last name initials. After that, you'll want to select a role for the user. This helps define what the user can see and do within your Salesforce environment. Be sure to choose a role that aligns with their responsibilities. You'll also notice an option to assign a profile to the user. Profiles determine the user's access to various features and data, making it one of the most important settings when creating a new user. Choose a profile that best fits the user's job functions within the company. Once you have filled in all the required fields and double-check for accuracy, scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit the Save button. This will create the user account and trigger an email to the new user with login instructions and a temporary password. And that's it. You've successfully created a new user in Salesforce. As always, if you need to make any changes, you can easily edit the user details by returning to the users page. Remember, managing users effectively is crucial for maintaining data security and ensuring that everyone on your team has the right access to the tools they need. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful Salesforce tips and tutorials.